The main characters in this story: Violet, Elizabeth, Johnny, Stephanie, Lisa. Have a good day, Violet. I will, Mommy. At school. Leave me alone. No, not until you give us your lunch money. Huh? Leave her alone. What do you want? What do you want, weirdo? OMG, is he your cousin Lisa? Yeah. Please get him to sit with us. Please, we're your besties. Okay. Thanks, Lisa. See you tomorrow, bestie. Hi, I'm new to this school. Is it okay if I can sit with you at lunch? Yes. Yeah, of course. Thanks, but are you gonna do that for them? Well, they will bully me more if I don't. At lunch. Hi, Johnny. Hi. Some girls in my grade asked me if they could sit with you at lunch. Who are they? Stephanie and Elizabeth. Oh, okay. Tell them I said sure. Okay. A few days later. Lisa? Yeah? I found out that Stephanie and Elizabeth are bullies. Oh, sorry for asking if they can sit with you. It's okay. I know it's not your fault. Later that day, we're sorry for being rude to you. I hope you can forgive us. But sure, be an upstandard and help others if they are in need of help.